Hey everyone! So I'm going to try a little gadget today. This is from a frozen dinner. I believe it was a crustless chicken pot pie steamer. Alan had MacGyvered it a little bit, put some push pins in the back so it will set up off the canvas so the color can flow. So I'm going to be doing that on a 12 by 12, and I'm going to use white and Lucas Steel Blue, Craftsmart Midnight Blue Metallic, Soho Silver, Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Garmbacher Prussian Blue, and some black. So I do want to put a black background down, only because I think with the white we may get some speckling on the edges. And it's not going to be like a full background. It's just going to cover the top of the canvas to help the paint flow. And I'm going to mix it with my offset spatula just to move it around a little bit. Because I do want this to, I am going to be doing some tilting, so it was fun to watch his video last night, so I thought, well, I want to play with that too. And this is accessible. This is not something you're going to have to look very hard for. Alright, I'm going to set that right in the middle of the canvas, and we're going to do colors individually. But I do think I'm going to start with the iridescent Prussian Blue. And I do want to cover those holes. And I'll follow that with silver. Now a lot of these colors will mix in together, so it's not going to be definite lines. I call them lines of demarcation. I'm being a hairdresser, you know. So I will follow that with a little bit of white. Then I'm going to go ahead with the Midnight Blue. And then the Steel Blue. Oops. Got my bottle dirty. It's been very hard for me to let him touch my stuff. Yeah, we'll put a little black there. And it is starting to come out. It's definitely going to need another round of color. So I'm going to push those back a little bit. Go again. Silver. White. Midnight Blue Metallic from Craftsmart. Such a pretty color. The Lucas Steel Blue. Some black. I'm going to let that fall through, and I think I'm going to put a little bit of silver in the middle. You can see it coming out already. I should put a little white too. Let that finish falling through. Okay, so I'm just going to lift. Caught my drip. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Lots of cells already. All my paints do have treadmill silicone in them. Okay. So I did get on him a little bit about his tilting skills. So I'm going to work with him a little bit more on that. But I got all my paint in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and start stretching this out. And if I find a spot that I absolutely love, I'm going to stop. I think I'll bring it back to this corner too. So quiet here today. Everybody let me sleep in today. Isn't it weird how the white did that? I'm kind of loving this. So you're going to start looking at things differently in your house, or containers that you eat out of. You'll find all kinds of things that you can pour paint through or on. Now I'm hoping that white will sink some more and give us a few more cells. My hand's pretty. I'm not digging that spot in the middle, so I'm going to go ahead and play around with my skewer just a little bit. It's definite circle, and I don't like that. So I want to pull in. And I think I may stretch it just a little bit more that way because I don't have any white there. Decisions. I am kind of liking the black, and I love this. I don't want to lose that. So let's see what happens if I stretch it this way. Getting all that paint together. That's kind of neat. I don't want to take it completely off. I think I'm going to leave it right there. Kind of liking that. I don't like things centered all the time, but it is balanced. Even out the paint there so it dries better. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a torch and see if I can bring up something through the white. Excuse me. I am getting some new cells, little ones. All through that little bit of white there. But nothing in the middle. That's good. I'll give you a close-up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Oh, click that bell next to that subscribe button and you'll get notified when we upload our next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Check out all the links below. We have a new code for our Stone Coat Countertop Art Coat Resin. The new code is POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, at checkout. And you'll get $30 off an $80 order. Shop with us on Amazon for your supplies. Redbubble for prints and products with our artwork on them. Etsy, you can buy our artwork right on Etsy. And I also have jewelry on there. Our fan mail address is below. If you want to sponsor the channel, the PayPal link is below as well. And we do quarterly giveaways for that. And the first 2 prizes are a painting of your choice, if we still have it. And it would be resined and sent directly to you at no cost to you, except for donating to the channel. It helps us buy our supplies and keeps us in the know. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.